Good day, Kabarangay, and welcome to Box of Via. And today I would like to share with you a a verse from the Bible in Matthew 6:24. Jesus warned us about serving two masters at the same time. So, in simplistic understanding that it has been explained to us, it says that it's about God and money, mammon. In simplistic way naman, the way I understand it, it's about not just about money, not just about God, but it's about two things in life, in person's life. Usually, it's about the physical, the instinct, the primal instinct, the instinct over some spiritual principles in life that we have learned as a Christian. Those were hard there are hard decisions that we have to make actually. And not just actually, kung ang tao ay hindi order, hindi klaro sa kanila ang kanyang pananaw sa buhay, usually, he will be misled by his master. One day, ang master niya ay ang kanyang comfort. So, gusto niyang comfort. Other day, ang master niya naman is about money. So, isang araw, hindi mawala siya sa focus ng kanyang comfort, kundi doon na naman siya sa kanyang paghanap buhay. And another day naman, he will be bothered by his master. Ang master niya naman is gutom, craving. So, nagsasamot-sari na yung gusto ng tao. So, wala siyang focus. That's why, yung mga taong walang focus, walang sense of peace of mind. Kaya nga, better to know as early as now, wherever you are, to know exactly who you are. Kilalanin mong sarili so that if you have defined who you are, you would know kung what do you want in life. Money ba? College degree ba? Or katanyagan ba? Popularity ba? Ganon. Those are the masters that you will eventually serve. If you don't know how to, if you don't know yourself, laging wala kang focus. Isang araw, kunting alog lang halimbawa ng lindol, masisira na buong buhay mo kasi hindi nakasulat o hindi ka sigurado kung ano ang gusto mo sa buhay. Kasi hindi mo alam kung sino ka. Yun lang po. Haba. Bye-bye.